Screencast 23. Tips for previewing reports. Hey, you remember in all my screencasts so far, I've been doing something like going to the report here and, I don't know, changing something here, then going back to preview. I keep doing this bouncing back and forth, back and forth. Pretty irritating, really, for me. So I'm going to show you an enhanced technique you can use that will make things a bit simpler. And what we want is we want to be able to just see both of these at the same time. Now, how can we do that? Because whenever I select this, that window or that tab takes over the real estate of the screen. Well, there is something I can do. Let me create a little extra space here. Once I've got the preview up, I'm going to right-click on it and select New Vertical Tab Group. And especially it's vertical because my screen is extremely wide. Now look what happened here. That preview window is in its own tab group. So I can do things like, you see it says type name, type full name, method name. If I want to change it, let's say I want method name first. I just move it up and then click. Right? And method name is now here. Right? Or if I want to remove type name, delete, that's the middle field. Click here, I'm going to click the refresh button. There it's gone. I can get it back, of course. And then there we go. It's back. So I didn't even have to hit the refresh button. I just had to click anywhere here. So that's a really cool thing about these tab groups. It allows you to preview the report and keep the design, the model up at the same time. And with our designs, I can make changes here. I don't even have to hit save. You can see the little star there, the asterisk. It means it's not even saved. With precision designs, you'll have to save in order to see the preview. And obviously, if you ever change data method code, you'll have to save and build to see the preview. But this really works very well for our designs and exploring how things work. And one more thing, let's suppose you want it back. You want to merge that back. You just go right click on the tab, go move to previous group, and it's back. And let me do it one more time. Right? And what happens if I close the preview, let's say accidentally, and then try previewing it again? Yeah, see if you close it, it'll come back into the old tab group. So that's, oops, I clicked on horizontal tab group, and now you can see why I don't normally use that. Go back to new vertical. There we go. So that's a really efficient little technique. I expect you should be using that all the time. And in future screencasts, I'll try to show myself working on the reports in this way. Okay, see you next screencast.